honorable adjudicators, respected guests, and dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is Cleanliness is next to the Godliness. Ladies and gentlemen, what would you think about a place of worship littered with plastic bags and garbage? Would you feel like the place is, you satisfied with the place? No. Dear audience, without maintaining a clean environment, it is not possible to have a meaningful spirituality. Dear audience, a hospital is a place where patients are treated. The very place that is supposed to bring health and healing will become the place where diseases are separate. Respected audience, what if a huge majority of children come to school with dirty uniforms? There will be the total lack of discipline and self-respect. Children and teachers, when they come in neat and modest dress, create an atmosphere in schools where their study become a joy and not a burden. There is a general sense of well-being as we stretch this example. One of the impacts created by the armed forces as they march during the Republic Parade is the absolute clean dress codes they maintain for keep clean. Most people have a selfish thought that they litter in their neighborhood in order to keep their own compounds clean, but that is not a good attitude. We need to work together to achieve cleanliness on a nationwide scale. We need to clean up our homes, neighborhoods, residential areas, public places, streets, parks, roads, highways, and places of cultural heritage and tourist importance as well. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, we perform ablution 5 times a day. We perform ablutions 5 times a day to connect to God. Therefore, it is truly said that cleanliness is next to the godliness. Thank you.